Landvac line is 400 meters long with a U-shaped layout which can supply 120,000 square meters wedge units per year. Starting from the glass cutting and automatic uploading. Then we get to the edge grinding process. This is the washing process. This is the drilling process. And this is the printing process, which is under the clean room with 100,000 level. And this is the tempering process. The above is the pre-processing section, and then go to the vacuum section. This is the cleaning process, and the following process must be carried out in the clean room with 100,000 level, including macro pillar placement, sheath bonding, and edge sealing. Then enter the air extraction process. Look, Landvac units have been finished, but it will be delivered to our global customers after 5 times of inspections and qualified. This is the unique, automatic, and intelligent production line for tempered wedge in the world. Welcome to Luoyang, China, and welcome to Landglass wedge plant.